We will have a 30-minute break. Once again, after this round, we will be having a 30-minute break. Thank you. Round number 1.
Alright, ito another Antique versus sila. Pansin ko partner, Antique talaga itong red corner, halos Antique yung nasa red corner partner.
Malakas na 1-2 combination thrown by the red corner. Pero sabi ng referee, open lang daw. Uy, ang ganda na. Jump straight, jump straight, jump straight. Apat 1-2-1-2. Very basic amateur. Amateur fundamentals.
Ito si red corner, bull puncher ito.
Combination by the red corner.
Okay. Mark on this from Sibano Antique.
Jump straight na naman from the blue corner.
Alright. Nice little come from the blue corner.
Oy, nice exchange.
Gagata na combination ni blue corner yung partner. Although bumabawi na sa red corner pero nasasalat na dinipinsahan niya ng partner blue corner. Bumawi na.
Oy, nice left hook in the blue corner.
Kailangan po bumawi. Ito.
Dia dengar orang batas dalam.
Okay.
Round number 2.
Round number 4.
Ay, may meeting sa natin. Round number 2.
Yes, tingnan natin yung adjustment nila. So, as you can see, ito, ganun pa rin ang ginagawa.
Uy! Nice step back and right straight by the red. Oh! Tumama na maganda si Red. Uy! Nakamama na rin. Ang ganda naman ang laban na to.
Palitan na.
Yes. Pakihas, makamay, libot na lumabot sa nito.
Parehong bulo nito ng mga kombinasyon partner.
Uy! Nice. Ang ganda na sumetang nito ng blue corner.
Grabe na. Ganda rin naman na yung partner. Ganda ng footwork, ganda ng depensa. Ayun.
Oy! Dahil nakamawin sa red corner doon. Once again, after this bout, we will be having a 30-minute break.
Nahirapan makakapataan ng progression nila sa Victor kasi kumaalis ang nag-save yung mga partner. Yun.
At syempre, nais po natin i-shoutout ang lahat po ng nanonood sa ating pong live stream, ang official Facebook page ng Combat Sports Kalayaan. Partner, basa tayo ng mga komento, partner, no? Basa tayo ng mga comment. So, end of round number 2, comment, reading tayo mga kaibigan. So, mag-comment po kayo para mabati po natin kayo. And syempre, nais po natin pasalamatan ng ating po mga major sponsors, Senator Lord Ligarda, Congressman and future Governor Paulo Javier, and Congressman A.A. Ligarda. Maraming salamat. attorney Popo Bibuko.
Ito.
Sa lahat po ng nanonood, Romeo Kino Oscar, maraming salamat. Reynaldo Durante ng Sinaloan o Siniloan Laguna, maraming salamat. June Puno ng San Mateo Rizal nanonood. From Canada, si Responder PH, maraming salamat po. Shoutout po from Daily Mobit Tattoo, Mark Anthony Ortega, Tak Sago, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpanonood. Danny Grace from Canada, maraming salamat. And Ralph Jason Mapuso. Dax Pasaki, hello sa iyo.
Alright, talk to the action.
Bacolod, salamat po France. Saira, Pasaba, Pilipinas.
Grabe ang combination dito niya.
Amil Don Barretos.
Dito, partner.
Silver Boy, shoutout po kay Kasimit. Ano to? Nadudulas ko niya. Huwag mo nang guluhin yung naghahanap ng promoter na yun ngayon.
Oh,
Salamat po
sinasasaan na ni
Ben Albior Paragua Jr. watching from New York, ha? New York, Cuba. Gustoni, salamat. Gustoni Pedro Aldina.
And of course, kay Sir Tato Bravo o Hard Knocks Boxing Team.
Cater, Rico, Selecta Bashala, Cap Lopez, Silay City, Arnold Luzanes, Alagaw, Jackson. And off the bat, ito.
For a fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of amateur boxing, we will go to the scorecards. Judge number 1 has scored about 29-28. He has it for the red corner. Judge number 2 scored about 29-28. He has it for the blue corner. And judge number 3 scored it 29-28 for your winner by split decision. Your winner, red corner.
Congratulations!
Just for Carmelo of Sibalo Antique.
Alright, Mark, congratulations. On behalf of